So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to save the Figma prototype in GIF or GIF. So first, you need to open any search engines or web browser, but based on your preference, in my case, I am using a Google Chrome, and search for the figma.com and access your design by entering your credentials for you to able to access your account. Then, click a file or a project based on your preference, and after that, you will see on the right navigation bar, which is on a few options, you will see the design and the prototype. Just click on the prototype section and click the play button right here for you to able to redirect to this page. Just wait until it loads, and while it loads, go to another tab and search for the gifcap.dev, and you will see this page. You will see the start recording button right here. You just have to click on that and click or choose the Chrome tab based on your preference. But in this case, we are going to use this one because we actually played the prototype on Figma. So after that, click on the share button for you to able to share the whole screen from our prototype. And then after that, it is now actually sharing, and just stop sharing based on your preference if you choose to stop it and save it as a GIF. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.